Igbos. They never ruled Nigeria since 1970. See where they are. They are the most blessed. If you come to economy, they hold it. If you come to education, intelligence, brilliance, they are there. Check what the United Nations talk about Igbos, the most brilliant race in Africa. Talk about poverty ratio they gave. 74% in the north, 46% in the west, 5% in the east. Check about the education level today. Google in your phone there and you check it. Imo State is the highest, seconded by Anambra, Enugu. They have taken over again. After Civil War, they were the best. Now, after Civil War, during Civil War, after it, they scattered them. But before the Civil War, they were the best. But after the Civil War, they scattered them. Now they have come back again. So how did they make it? They didn't make it out of Nigeria. They make it out of themselves. You understand? With the faith and moving resilience, they have it. And now, look at what they're saying. They say they want to go. All the whole nation is being like shaking. If they say, no, we are no more going, all of them will celebrate. Because they know they own something. They own something. Look at everywhere. Look at everywhere. Who owns everywhere? Take out everywhere. Look at the whole businesses you look at. Go to international airports, seaport, everything. They move it. Go to Ghana. Go to Cameroon. Go to any. You will be proud of Igbos. You understand? They never made it by saying I'm the leader of so. They made it out of nothing, just like how God did it. If you believe in God, you do it out of nothing.